All right, what do we got here? We got a big button in the middle of a picture. So what is this thing?
This is a 2004 Ultra Classic
Road turd.
Road Turd.
Full size road turd.
Twin cam.
It looks like that bike,
What is
but
this stuff?
almost. That looks like parts you don't need anymore.
Parts you should put back in, or don't need anymore.
So, you got this bike where out of the junkyard or somebody left on the side of the road? What was it?
This bike comes from a guy that my girlfriend works with.
You know, this is
He,
a friend of a friend, okay.
He,
I'm saying enemy of a friend, how's that?
right. He told me
So,
that the bottom end was bad on this.
It has a bad crank. So, there's the bad crank. That one's still actually kind of together. Where's the other one? Oh, it's over here. So anyway, those are kind of worn. I thought it was more broken than this. This is still even kind of together. It had a big knock, so evidently it wasn't quite the crank. So you spun the motor over, the crank's good and true, as far as I can tell.
Yeah, within spec.
But you didn't actually pull the cylinder out to see if the rod's bad yet. So maybe the crank still is bad. We don't know.
That's true.
We definitely know the cam shoes got a lot of wear on them.
This bike has 50, somewhere in the 50,000 range. 50, I think somewhere between 50 and 55.
So you bought a bunch of parts from some guy online, right?
Yeah.
Who was that
Tatro
guy?
machine, check them out.
Oh.
Check 'em out.
Some dumbass like me.
3647.
Fred was in charge of the transaction.
He'll begrudgingly sell you parts for a late bottom.
So we're gonna, see now we're wasting our time here in Vegas doing nothing. We're gonna go ahead and throw this thing together and see if we get it running tonight. How long has it been sitting here?
I probably bought this motorcycle,
I didn't ask what year you bought it. I said how long you had it here.
that's when I got it. I'm guessing 4 years it's been sitting.
4 years of taking up your garage space,
Yeah.
collecting dust.
Pulled it apart, 6 months ago to find the problem?
Yeah, that's about normal. All right, so what's this area we're working here? This does not look like my facilities.
No.
I see you got this bitchin' vise over
Leave it in
here.
your facility.
Look at the size of that thing. Now you got the booze right next to the vise. Which one's bigger?
For comparison sizes.
Got his manly man vice out there. Good man, eliminator vice.
So you got this nice workbench, which was an old, Fred said it was an old door.
This is an old door.
The door.
Here's a hole to prove it.
Okay, that's where you drain your fluids out.
Yes.
Okay, good. I see you went full hog on the legs. You got some 2x4s. You got your air compressor there from Rigid. They are not a sponsor of this website.
They're not sponsored this.
Construction site.
We have a genuine General toolbox. US. That US made, huh? All right. And you got the Craftsman over
It
here.
says US on it, but I'm guessing that's not US made.
Okay. Then we got the captain's chair over here. Or is that the director's chair today?
The director's chair.
Director's
Point
chair.
fingers.
So this looks like about a 3-car garage, I'm guessing.
Yes, sir.
And we got a big air compressor over here. That's probably better than the other one.
It's a 3-car garage or 8 motorcycle garage.
And what's that way over there? You got that's a,
Preferable.
there's a bike lift way over there. Look at that. There's a bike lift.
What about the one you're sitting on?
Where?
You're sitting on the good bike.
I'm sitting on this chair.
Where are you renting?
Oh, this thing. The only good tool in the whole shop. All right, so I guess it's about real world quality for tools to work with. Do you have a hammer? Plastic. Plastic hammer. Yeah, that's plastic on that. That's rubber. We don't like that. We like plastic. Okay, yep, okay. We got the important tool. Do you have a number 2 ball peen?
A number what?
Number 2 ball peen.
I got a ball peen.
Steel. There you go. That's a little light.
You need a bigger one.
I think this is a 1.5. We need number 2. You got number 2? That's a 3. No. Okay, so we're going to have to live with a small one. Okay, we got very important tools. We got most of the stuff we need to work on this bike. Okay, here we go. We got all the important ingredients. All right, so I guess we're gonna play with this a little bit. Move it around and get up on my chair. This is also my bed while I'm sleeping here. So, a little slimy.
Put your head in the vise and squeeze it.
That's where my foot goes.
Oh, that. And the wheel holder.
Oh, yeah, well, that's my pillow.
You lay down and squeeze your
That was
head.
my pillow. And you're picking on me. Fred's picking on me again.
I wouldn't take it.
Fred is picking on me.
I'd take you like a booger, you know, like.
That's right. See? There's nothing but abuse around here. All right, we're gonna move this around. We'll be back.